Good morning, guys. I'm Matt Wieteha. You guys know that. This is Nick Hoinig, and it is the morning. Bass Pro Shops inaugural U.S. Open here. Sexy, calm Lake Okeechobee.
We're not fishing.
We're not fishing yet because we don't get to make a first cast till 6:30. So we got 11 minutes. We're waiting. We got the chatterbaits. We got the big easies, we got the frogs ready, and it's looking good. I'm feeling first cast vibes here, but stay tuned. Everyone's thinking it's gonna take 30 plus to win. We haven't found that in practice. We found some good fish. I don't know about 30 pounds, but
we're saving it for today.
Yeah, we're saving all that.
Catch them today.
We're gonna catch them today. Oh, look, one just boiled over there. That's my first cast.
Oh, wow.
That's my first cast. All right, guys, stay tuned. Never know. This is the one we thought was 4?
Yep.
God damn it. Check over that one. I just hooked myself in the wee. You see one? No, I'm just saying check it. Out of the hole. Yeah. It's in the file, right? Okay.
Any kind of potential. We're confident.
What?
No, go ahead. We're about to go. Oh, he's like, hey, they're back here.
Bacon?
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't do that. Almost blew up my life jacket.
Hey, a pass, dude, look. A pass.
Oh, I broke your scissors.
Oh, wait. They were expensive. Smaller bait than this.
Mm-hmm. That's all, yeah.
Zoom back.
She had it. Might like that.
your service. I'm your rod man. Pay attention, man.
I am.
I'm just swimming off with it.
Come on, get her. Did we burn an hour on that fish?
Oh my god!
What?
I just killed a bird! Dude, what? Did you hear that? Oh my god! It was like poof! Oh! I literally didn't see that bird. Or feathers. Oh no, it's a whole bird! Oh fuck! Sorry, dude. So sorry. Good sign, though. Poor guy, dude, he's a baby.
What's your batch go? Slurp.
Oh! What? Biggin? Biggin?
Dude, really?
Yeah, fucking.
Mine are worse, trust me.
Was it a big one?
Hang on.
Big one?
Yeah, it'll snap its back. 2.5, 3 pounder. Things going good. Alright, we're good. Chill for a second. Oops, that's beautiful.
Oh my god, look at that.
I thought it was a 10 pounder,
Oh
dude.
my fucking god. Dude.
It's a good one, though. I
Thank
thought it was
God.
a damn 10.
Dude, did you see how it ripped the rod out of my hand?
Yes, dude, it reminded me of that 9 you caught when we caught 36.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Game changer.
You said the same thing. Go, oh my, put him, yeah. Holy
Dude.
cow.
Are you kidding me? We got to pump the water in right now.
Wow. Where did that come from?
I don't know. I'm glad I landed it. Literally, dude, I had no time to even. It was just like.
Oh, I know, it ripped it right out of your hands.
Now we really need that 5 pounder.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, no, no, I thought like, I would have, if you lost it, I would have thrown it a 9 plus.
Oh yeah.
Everything she had. Boom! Wow. Okay. That was good.
Now I feel like everybody's catching them.
No, I'm just pumping. Like you said, the next move will be the game changer.
Yeah. Yep, that's damn right. Make us or break us. Dude, it pulled and head shake like a fucking 7-8 pounder. Like, I'm like,
I thought that was $1 million fish out
you get it on GoPro?
there. Yeah. Not the blow up, but.
Oh my gosh. Now we catch that one bedding over there. Go
Yeah.
catch our other bed.
Yeah, that's true.
Or we just.
No, we catch.
Today's a grinder, I'm telling you. I mean, I'm not gonna say that bite was lucky, but we're very fortunate. Yeah, obviously. Just need to make one of these flips, and that's another fish like that. Ooh.
Wow. Hey.
Like that combo, don't you?
What's that?
Oh, no.
Fast.
I know it is. Like, hey, what are you doing? Right, just drift over. Ooh. Oh.
Yeah.
That one's good. When you run the boat over him, he does not move. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
To the right.
It's this one right here. No, it's this one right here.
Not this one?
Marked it on both. No, it's this one.
Straight ahead?
Right there, no?
No, I thought I was further towards the outside. I don't think it's this one.
That
It's
mark.
literally right here.
No, that's the two we caught. It's that one, I promise. Like $1 million. Told you. Any more questions? Any more questions?
Maybe I was wrong. Show the camera in the mouth. In the mouth.
In the mouth.
That's
Not a
almost a
giant.
4. Almost.
She ate it.
Cut the hook out. Just leave the hook in there.
Any more questions?
Okay, I believe you. You want any soda or Mountain Dew?
No, I'm good.
Hey, there's an apple pie here.
One 8-pounder.
What is this? Oh, it's egg.
Ooh, I could probably pop it out, should I?
Don't do it. I'll take a $2 hook.
When's the last time you sight fishing like this?
This one, right?
Was it? Oh yeah.
So green. What's that?
When's the last time you sight fished in a lake like this?
Never.
Oh, hold on.
That's why it's gonna take fucking 30 to win.
How? To get the deal out in the See that, guys? That's how you turn a day around really fast.
That's a 5.
What's going on?
Blue's the next one to go?
I have no idea.
What are you thinking, Bubba?
About 20.
All right, I like it.
One more question, I'll let you go. What's the line to get up?
Let's see. Oh, we got a little bit of meat in there.
It's a small one.
My goodness, don't lose them in there.
Good fast fish, he says. We're going to weigh them in. If it's over 15, you're way up in the standing.
I got five.
It's going to lock.
Hold that over for me.
20-pound bag, 2054. Way to go, guys. All right, Nathan, get those big ones out.
Yeah, we got
Aaron, get you a couple of them out there.
I think we got about what they got. Thank you.
I think you're in about 6 ways, 5th ways, 4th ways, 4th ways.
Hold them up there and smile at everybody. Way to go. What place are they in right now? Hand them right there to Eric and get this all fixed up. Right now, y'all are in 4th place in the biggest tournament trail of the history of fishing.
You're going to be 5th.
Are you good? You good? All right. 4th place. How'd you catch
There's a
it?
lot to go, though. Oh, yeah, I bet there's a piece of baskets. You catch that big one? Yeah. Good job. What's leading, 30?
Scenko is the ticket for the bedded fish down here. Dark cover, light cover.
27, 22.
Pumpkin everywhere. Who caught the biggest fish of the day? Good deal. That old big, and that's what made it 20 pounds plus.
There you go, guys.
Thank y'all very much.
Oh, good basket. Go get him, baby.
62, Nicholas and Matt.
Go talk to him.
All right, we got a bunch of fish in line. Let's get them weighed in and get them gone. This bag of fish will weigh in at 1962. Look here, y'all are that close to holding them up for everybody.
I know.
Yeah, go down there and get your picture made around behind the trailer. We're going to roll these so we don't get any fish sick. Go see Eric. We're doing our very best to keep these fish all alive. We got 2 release points out back so they can be caught again. All right, boat 113, Ben and Taylor.
Could have sworn we had 20.
We got a family.
I figured it was right
here.
in the
We got a father and son.
Yeah.
Last bag of fish of the day of the first tournament
gonna be really
for
fun.
this
It's gonna be really
whole
close.
series to happen. It happened right here in Okeechobee. It must be alive still. I see it jumping out of Mark's box over there. Cale and Bradley, both 205. You know what I told y'all earlier about sandbagging? I think they've been sandbagging right here. They need 2782 to win $50,000. All right, let's see. It's going to be exciting. 2 hands. He's got it by 2. All right, how close is it going to be?
Pretty close.
Think you got it, don't you?
I don't know.
29 pounds! 29 pounds! Yes, sir! Great job! Get those fish out! Unbelievable! 29 even! He said, I said, are y'all related? He said, we're his best friends.